Alrighty, it's Sunday at Mike Stadium Sports Cards. We just broke open a brand new case of 2013 Topps Triple Threads Baseball. And we're busting up 2 boxes. Each of the packs are going to have an autographed relic and a non-autographed relic. Maybe we'll get a white whale, printing plate, you know, there's some good stuff in here. I like these boxes more than the football ones. They got these little squares for the football. Just the triangle design is just like so known for this release. Hermetically sealed.
Rules. Garrison Jr., Troy Tulowitzki.
Oh, there we go.
D. Gorius, 18/50. Dustin Pedroia, 16/18.
Cool.
Josh Hamilton, Paul Molitor.
Is that the one that just dropped?
Yes.
Okay.
This will be the good one.
It's only got, what, 3 layers of protection on it?
Yeah. Heavier weight. Peanut butter sandwich here. Heavy side falls down face first. Bob Feller, Joe Mauer, Ricky Henderson.
Nice.
White Whale, Dale Stewart.
There you go.
That's a 1 of 1.
Auto Relic White Whale, Dave Stewart. Nice.
There we go. Pablo Sandoval, 1936. Lee Stargell and Robert Young.
Cool. 2 down, 2 to go.
Paul Molitor, Zach Greinke, Johnny Bench, Evan Longoria.
Nice. What's
7/99.
Way cool.
Felix Hernandez, 7/13.
That is cool.
Ricky Henderson, Matt Kemp. Well, I got the last one. David Wright, Bill Morowski, Jackie Robinson, Johnny Cueto, 70/75.
Cool.
Max Scherzer, 11/18.
Nice.
Ozzie Smith, Al Kaline.
Cool.